Thank you again for joining me today in yet another architectural scan. So here's again an opportunity for us to see today what we're going to discover concerning the vast world of architecture and the issues that are happening today in the world. What I want to look at today is basically technology in architecture 2020. What is happening? Let's just take a look together. So here we go. Today we do Technology in Architecture 2020. So let us see what we're going to discover today, and to see again if we want to check out what technology in architecture, then I guess we can go and see what these robots are busy with. Some interesting opportunities. We can go deeper, but let's just see what this item here is looking at. But let's just say we were to visit this site here. So basically looking at materials and the latest architecture news and what's happening. Basically very interesting what's going on. So let's just go a little deeper here as well. So read more. Sorry. Okay. Types of fabrication that are happening. Looking at the different ways and means robots are being used in the industry, MIT, what they're doing, and collaborations that are going on with the different universities, world. Okay, ETH Zurich is also there, and to see what they're busy with. Okay, developing new materials. Certain things are happening there with MIT. And then if we continue going, okay, this looks interesting. Let's see here, optimizing form and material usage. So let's say we were to go in to check out what Zurich is doing with this smart slab. So if we go to the smart slab, okay, they have a video. We can check out a video, why not? It's on YouTube. Let's see here. It is 3 minutes long. And let's say we fast forward it a little bit to see what it means. So they're putting the fabricated item together. Nice. That's interesting. So basically this is changing how architecture is manifested. So it's seamless between design and build. Not bad. Something to consider and take into consideration. Yes, very good, interesting issues that Zurich is looking into at this time. For the second project, it's interesting to see how this interior space is organized itself within the space itself. Yeah, it's kind of interesting what is done here to be able to see how the space was treated and how they were able to create the different experiences with the material. And that's kind of interesting how that was done. Creating this massive interactive experience, Anyway, really interesting. So considering the two options today that were put or found, what we can realize that in technology today, you can work out 3D printing that gives a level of comfort when it comes to setting up infrastructure with smart floors, or you can do some smart siding to create a certain interior expression. So you have the ceiling or the floors, slabs that you can incorporate in a very creative way, minimizing materials. That's very good. And then secondly, looking at also a way to create a certain expression or experience within a space, depending on the space also, that you're able to really make a signature representation. So that's again using materials in two different ways but also depends on what you're using. And that is another good thing about using technology, that you're able then to see how you can inject a level of environmental factor in terms of the kind of materials used for sustainable efficiency purposes, as well as looking at the technological relationship that you're incorporating into the discussion to create a seamless relationship.